Vacations are very challenging when it comes to eating, and having the ability to prepare most of the food by yourself is even more important if you want to maintain your weight. And this apple cake is one of my go-to desserts that I can make anywhere. I prepared similar cake before, but this time I wanted to see if I can make it with oats, replace butter with yogurt, use a sweetener instead of sugar, and egg whites instead of whole eggs. The place I was staying at did not have all of the tools that I have at home, so I had to get a bit creative. I don't have a zester, so I'm using this grater to zest a lemon. I am going to rest the batter for 30 minutes or so, but you can rest it overnight and it will thicken more. In the meantime, I will prepare the apples. They do not have to be peeled. It is easier to grate them if they are, though. And you can use this side to grate apples, or if you do not have a grater, you can slice the apples with a knife. The batter is much thicker already. Coat the apples well by turning them over and lay them in this 6-inch springform pan. I have aluminum foil around the pan to prevent any leaks. This batter is very runny and light and moist when it finishes baking. It may seem raw, but it is not. The cake is pretty much mostly apples. If you let it cool, it will become denser, custard-like. If you want to try the original recipe that inspired this one, watch this more apples than dough recipe next, and that is where I'm going to see you.